Have you ever tried to explain what a hardware-based FPGA trading on electronic exchanges is? Imagine our customers are like professional race car drivers. They know what they are doing, and they know what they want. They want it to be faster. To be successful, you need the best equipment, and that includes things like turbo in your car or FPGAs in your server. So then you approach your experts on FPGAs to integrate it with your systems. You can rely on our expertise and full support during the integration process. Once done, it is time to test and verify and make sure that you get the best performance from your system. Then, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your efforts and new speed. The rest is up to you. Switch gears now.